In this video, I am going to share a Shrine theme coupon code, which will give you a flat 15% discount on your order. To get started, simply click on the first link down below in the video description. The link will take you to this page. Here, you only need to click on this Get Started button. Or you can also scroll down to the Themes section directly. Shrine Theme offers 3 different themes. You can choose any one of these themes. I will choose this one, as it contains every feature of this theme. Others are just a similar theme with limited features. If you are on a tight budget, you can choose one of these, but I recommend to go ahead with the first one. Now, if I click here, it will take me to the product page, where it will provide me more info about the theme. You can simply scroll down and see all the features this theme has to offer. I will simply click on this Add to Cart button. Now, on the right drawer, you'll see the theme. You'll also see that they've added a lifetime support for just $20. You can disable this if you want to, but having a lifetime support access for just $20 is not bad. So I will keep it enabled. Alright, now it's time to get the discount. In the coupon code section, I will enter this coupon code. The coupon code is discount, and as soon as I enter the coupon, it will take me to the checkout page. Here, you can see that the coupon is applied here, and we've also get the 15 to 20% discount on our order. Due to the coupon, we've saved around $55 on our order. Now we only need to enter these details and make the payment. If you want to support our channel, then make sure to use the first link given below in the description. I've also created this Shopify store using this Shrine theme, and I have also created a detailed tutorial on how you can use this theme effectively. So, if you are interested, you can simply click on the video that's showing on the screen, and I will see you there.